Hello everyone, in this video I will review Tempo AI. Tempo is an AI-driven platform designed for React developers and design teams. It combines a visual drag-and-drop editor with real, production-ready React code. Designers can improve from Figma or even use text and image prompts, while developers can continue editing directly in VS Code, sync with GitHub, and deploy as usual. It also supports integrations like Supabase for authentication and data, Stripe for payments, Storybook for design systems, and Expo for React Native, making it useful for both web and mobile projects. Tempo is praised for how much time it saves, with users reporting that they can build dashboards or complete app sections in just hours instead of days. It bridges the gap between design and development, allowing real-time collaboration where designers can work visually and developers maintain control of the code. This makes teamwork smoother and more efficient. On the downside, Tempo is focused only on React and React Native, so it won't work for teams using other frameworks like Angular or Vue. Its free plan has prompt limits, and sometimes bugs and freezes can waste credits. Some users also mentioned slow customer support and noted that advanced pricing plans, especially the one offering human engineers, are very expensive. For large or complex apps, Tempo may sometimes struggle with stability. Overall, Tempo is one of the best AI app builders available if you work with React. It can make development up to 10 times faster, streamline collaboration, and give teams a real productivity boost. But if you're not building in React or are on tight budget, you may want to look for alternatives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.